Hi, my name is Gerhard Schwartner, and welcome to Selling Power TV. Today, we have a very special guest from San Francisco, Jeremy Schiff, and tell us about your company.
We're really excited to be announcing Salesbot, which is a end-to-end solution for B2B sales. So we have a database of 650 million people that you can engage, that you might want to try and sell your different products to. We allow you to get contact information that's incredibly high quality and then run automated email campaigns to get those people to talk with you. And we use AI throughout the process, acting as a co-pilot to help speed up a lot of the tedious things that salespeople have to do in order to find the right people and engage with the right people, while still giving the salespeople all the control to accomplish the tasks in the way that they want.
Is this a tool that the sales leader, the CEO, is using, or the salesperson, or the sales enablement or revenue enablement leader? Where does it fit in the hierarchy?
So the primary user is going to be either a full stack AE or is going to be a BDR or an SDR who's using this to find the right people that they want to target, get great contact information, and then go and engage them. We do have plenty of analytics so that we can understand how a team is doing as a whole. So things like activity rates or response rates or funnel reports and all of those sorts of things. So leadership is probably going to engage more with the sort of reporting functionality, but the day-to-day functionality is going to be more from the individual contributor, salesperson, or SDR or BDR.
What does the bot actually do that the salesperson no longer has to do?
So the first one is find me a list of people. So we have a database of 655 million people now. So that's between 2 to 3x more leads than sort of any other product that we know of on the market. And it's because we've been investing, 7+ years on building out that database in the recruiting side. And that's been an incredible asset for us there. We can go and repurpose that. For example, I might want to search for people that have specific job titles, which would be normal on something like LinkedIn, but I might want to cross-reference that with investment data. Like I'm looking for someone who's at a Series A company, or I might be wanting to target someone based at a certain predicted revenue level, even though you don't actually know the revenue because it's a private business. We can use AI to go and understand that. We can even use AI to say, hey, we want to go and do demographic outreach to women or African American or Latinx. Again, in the same way that I might care about that for recruiting for diversity purposes, now it's really valuable for sales for going and targeting different segments with different types of messaging. I can go and search in all of these different ways that usually I had to bring together a number of different products to go and sort of find this information. Once I found these people, now I want to go and engage with them. So we have best in class, both email and phone quality, because we've spent so much time sort of making sure it's a really high quality. So a funny example would be if I'm doing recruiting and I reach out to someone based on their work phone, people would be like, why are you calling me? You can't call me on my work number. This is terrible. But in a post-COVID world, everyone wants access to cell phone number data anyways. So right. That's, again, an advantage that we have because we've been working in the recruiting world, that we have particularly unique and more effective contact information than a lot of other people. And then we can run automated end-to-end email campaigns to have a conversation with you. There's sort of two major areas we're using AI right now. The first one is you can provide a description of your ideal customer profile, your ICP, and a link to your website, and we'll actually generate different lead lists and outreach campaigns based on the information that we're finding there, leveraging our sort of AI technology as well.
Do I need to integrate with a CRM system, or can this stand alone?
Yeah, so this can stand alone. You're going to link either a Google or a Outlook email address to go and send out the emails. You don't need sort of any other sort of system. We do have a Salesforce integration, and other CRMs are coming soon, but you can definitely use this purely standalone.
And how long does it take from making the decision to do a campaign until the email is sent out?
I mean, it should take you 15 minutes to get it all set up, ideally, because the AI is going to suggest a lead list that should be within 80 or 90%. You might add a search term or remove a search term, and then you just have to modify your messages. You click one button to link your Gmail in the same way you might click on Gmail now to log in instead of typing in your email and password. And that's it.
People can sign up for a free trial on your website?
Yeah, so it's 2 weeks and you literally have access to all functionality in the product. So you can find people, you can email them, you can run all of the search features, you can play with all of the AI. Our point of view has been let people poke around, and if they see a product that's really significantly better, they'll adopt it.
This is such an amazing solution because there's so much frustration related to that task. And it's so vital for the business. So to me, this is the beginning of the top of the funnel, and it's the beginning of the revenue engine. And if the revenue engine has a bigger funnel, everything is going to grow.
That's right. I mean, at the end of the day, if you don't have lots of leads, it doesn't matter how effective your sales team is, right? And if you don't have the right kinds of leads, it doesn't matter how effective your sales team is.
So head over to salesbot.io and sign up for the trial.
Thanks so much, Gerard. I'm looking forward to you giving me your feedback personally, and I really appreciate you taking the time, and I'm looking forward to seeing how other people can use it too.